What's up, guys? The last video I posted chatting with my bros, I think. I don't know. I don't remember. But that one sucked. I don't even know what happened. I think I was recording on my Chromebook and I was going and it said pick one. I could either pick my screen, my home screen, or I could pick one video of just what I was doing on the video or whatever, and another one. And I was like, I don't know which one to pick, so I picked one, and it turned out, I'm guessing it was the one without sound, but my dog just barked at me. Weird. But I'll tell you first where I got this from, and then I'll show you my dog. But these hat and glasses, yeah. Well, I went to Six Flags after I graduated on Thursday, and I graduated on Thursday at like 8:30 in the morning, I think. And then it ended at like 10:45 because there were like 400 kids up there, sixth graders going to seventh grade. So my arm hurts already. So, then after that we went and had breakfast, and there were a bunch of my sort of friends there, like just sixth graders there. It's like, oh cool. So we weren't the only family that had the idea to do that. But then after that, my dad's like, you can come with me or you can stay with your mom. And I said, I don't know. And I got to take home my Chromebook because it's the older version. So because either way, they're going to throw them away or they're going to give them away. So either we took them or they threw them away or donated them or whatever. But that's what they told us, throw them away. But, okay, but then my dad said, I said, fine, I'll go with you. He said we were going to his girlfriend's house. And then we were going, and I said, where does she live? And he's like, over there. And we passed right by, and I was like, and then finally, we go to this place called Charlie Brown's, which is 30, maybe more from my, it's longer than 30 minutes or 30 minutes from my house. And it's cool there. They have like these weird sodas. So we stopped. I got like orange cream soda. My dad got raspberry something soda. They tasted weird, especially his. And then, hi, Charlie, I'll take my hat off. Okay, there, Charlie. Oh, hi. Hi, Charlie. Okay, but then I was like, are we going to Six Flags? And he's like, maybe. And I was like, we are. I got a haircut since my last few. My hair would go all the way down to like here. My mom's like, you need a haircut. So we got it right before my promotion. But here's my dog. Charlie, come here. Look. Charlie. What's that? Say hi. Say hi. Really? Charlie. Look up here. Right here. Look. That's my dog. Well, my family's dog. Okay. Here's my cat, or my sister's cat. No, Kitty, come here. Okay, here's my cat, or my cat, Kitty. Cat hates me. Sometimes. But I'm gonna cut it off right here, so because I'm gonna walk outside. My mom is gonna be there. So I'm gonna be like, do, and I might go on my bike. You'll see that. I'll be riding. I'll be holding my phone. But if I drop it, oh dang it! Hopefully you can hear me. I'll replay the video. But if you can't hear me, then it's gonna suck because I'm not doing this whole thing again. I might talk about the stuff, but I'm not gonna okay, I might show you everything again, but. Here's a stop for now. I'm going to be back in like 5 minutes. So see what the daylight is? So it's not even that bright outside. Okay, okay. Bye for like 2 seconds for you. Not even 2 seconds. Maybe when I come back on, I'll have my hand on it so it feels like it stops for a second and come back. Yeah, I'll have my hand on it. So, bye! Okay, I can't get the video to stop, but when I can,